Hello friends, in this video we will define isomorphism. The isomorphism of a function graph, isomorphism of a graph is for two or more graphs. The two graphs G and G dash are said to be isomorphic to each other if there is one-to-one correspondence between vertices and edges. There is one-to-one correspondence between vertices and edges such that incidentship is preserved. Thus, the two graphs G and G dash are said to be isomorphic to each other if there is one-to-one correspondence between their vertices and edges such that the incidence relationship is preserved. That means, what is the means of incidence relationship is preserved? That means if edge EK is incident on two vertices Vj, Vi and Vj, then in a graph G, then the corresponding edge EK dash in G dash is incident on corresponding vertices Vi dash and Vj dash. That means if an edge Ek in the graph G is incident on the vertices Vi and Vj, then the corresponding edge Ek dash in the second graph G dash must be incidence on the vertices, that means corresponding vertices Vi dash and Vj dash. Vi dash and Vj dash. Now we shall see this by drawing some graphs. If I draw a graph A, B, See, we have drawn two graphs, G1 and G2. In these two graphs, there are 5 vertices A, B, C, D, E in G, and again 5 vertices V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 in G dash. There are edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 edges are there. Here also E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, 6 edges. Thus both the graph contains same number of vertices and same number of edges. Now let us see. The vertices A, B, C, D and E. Vertex A is associated with vertex V1. See, degree of A is a 3 and degree of V1 is 3. Therefore, V1 A is associated with V1. Vertex B is associated with V2. See, degree of B is a 2 and degree of V2 is also 2. C is associated with vertex V3, same reason. D is associated with vertex V4 and E is associated with vertex V5. Thus, vertex are associated. Now let us see incidency of edges. This one edge 1 is between the vertex C, D and E. First edge is between the vertex D and E, and therefore there is an edge between V4 and V5 E1. Therefore 1 is incident with E1. Edge 1 is corresponding edge with E1. Similarly, edge 2 is corresponding edge with edge E2. 3 is related with E3. 4 edge is related with E4 and 5th edge is related with E5. See, all the edges has incidence relationship. See here, 4th edge is between A and C. Both have 3 degrees. And here E4 is also edge in between V1 and V3. Both has 3 degrees. And hence the relationship, incidence relationship is preserved. And hence these two graphs are isomorphic graph. Now we can note that except from the labels and names, two isomorphic graph are same. The two isomorphic graphs are always same. For example, draw this graph. This is a graph. I don't give it label. And this is another graph. See, both the graphs has 8 vertices and they have 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12 edges. And see, incidence relationship of edge and vertices is always preserved, and every vertex is of degree 3. Here also every vertex is of degree 3, and hence these two graphs are same graph, only they looks different but they are similar graph, same graph. Now what is the relation between two isomorphic graphs? How we can choose, how you can say that the two graphs are isomorphic graph. The two isomorphic graphs must have first same number of vertices, they must have same number of vertices. Second, same number of edges. And equal number of vertices with given degree. That means if two graphs are isomorphic graphs, then we can see that two graphs has these properties. They both graph have same number of vertices, they both have same number of edges, and there are equal number of vertices of a given degree. These conditions are necessary condition but not sufficient condition. These are necessary but not sufficient. That means if the two graphs are isomorphic, then we can see these three conditions in between them. But if we see any two graphs having these three conditions, then also the two graphs may not be isomorphic. For that purpose, we shall take an example. This is example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. This is a graph G1, suppose. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Now we shall draw the second graph, G2. एक दोन तीन चार पाच सहा. Here edges are E1 dash, E2 dash, E3 dash, E4 dash, E5 dash. These are two graphs. See that the two graphs have 6 vertices, that means same number of vertices they have. They both have 5 edges and there are same number of vertices of given degree. See, of degree 2, there are 2 vertices in the graph. Here there are 2 vertices of degree 2. There are 3 vertices of degree 1 in G1. There are 3 vertices of degree 1 in G1, G2. And there is a 1 vertex of degree 3. There is 1 vertex of degree 3. That means there are same number of vertices of a given degree. Thus all the 3 conditions are satisfied. But these two graphs are not isomorphic. Why? Why? If the two graphs, for the two graphs to be isomorphic, the vertex V4 must be correlated with vertex V3. Vertex V4 must have correspondence with the vertex V3. In G1, we can see that vertex V3 has an edge. Vertex V3 has an edge. In graph G2, vertex V3 has an edge which has only one pendant vertex. But in G1, vertex V4 has edges who has a pendant vertices are two. There are two edges which have pendant vertices, and that's why incidence relationship cannot be preserved, and hence these two graphs are not isomorphic. Though all the three conditions are satisfied, the two graphs are not isomorphic. This shows that these given conditions are only necessary conditions but not sufficient conditions. We have learned isomorphism in this video. Next concept we will learn in our next video. Thank you.